Hello, curious minds! I'm Quizzy from Work4You Tutor, and today we're diving into something that sounds almost too simple to be true. Writing by hand. That's right, not typing, not voice notes, not copy-pasting, good old-fashioned pen on paper. And here's the big question. Why does something so ancient actually help your brain remember things better? Buckle up because the science behind this is genuinely mind-blowing. Ready? Let's go! Okay, so first things first, let's talk about what happens inside your brain when you write by hand. When you pick up a pen and start writing, your brain doesn't just receive information, it processes it. It has to think about the shapes of the letters, the order of the words, and the meaning of what you're writing, all at the same time. Scientists call this cognitive engagement. Fancy term, simple idea. Your brain is working harder when you write by hand than when you type. And here's why that matters. The harder your brain works to encode something, the more likely it is to remember it later. It's like lifting weights. A little effort now means a lot more strength later. When you type, your fingers just tap, tap, tap. It's fast, it's easy, but it's also kind of shallow. Your brain goes on autopilot. When you write, your brain is fully in the game.
Quick pause right here. Did you know that knowing why handwriting helps is just the first step? The real magic happens when you have someone to guide you through it. At Work4You Tutor, experienced tutors will work with you personally, teaching you the best techniques to remember your lessons easily and effectively. No more forgetting what you studied. No more wasted hours. Just smarter learning, built around you. Visit www.work4yoututor.com and sign up today, because your brain deserves the best coach it can get. And we've got them waiting for you. And now, back to the video.
Now, here's something really interesting. Researchers at Princeton University and UCLA did a study where they gave students laptops and notebooks and asked them to take notes during a lecture. Then they tested everyone's memory. Who do you think remembered more? The notebook writers? Even though the laptop users wrote down way more words because typing is faster, the handwriters remembered the information better. Why? Because when you write by hand, you can't write everything down. You're forced to listen, think, filter, and summarize in your own words. That process of summarizing, that's your brain making sense of things. That's memory being built. Writing by hand slows you down just enough to make your brain pay attention. Think of it this way. If someone tells you a recipe and you write it down yourself, you're more likely to remember it than if someone just handed you a printed copy. The act of writing makes it stick. All right, so now you know the science, but how do you actually use this in real life? Here are Quizzy's top tips. 1. When you're studying, write your notes by hand first. Even if you type them up later, that first handwritten pass is where the memory magic happens. 2. Don't try to write everything. Summarize. Use your own words. Your brain will thank you. 3. Keep a handwritten to-do list. Things you write down are far more likely to get done than things you just think about. 4. If you're trying to learn something tricky, a formula, a new language, a concept, write it out multiple times. The repetition of hand movement reinforces it even more. 5. Try journaling by hand before bed. It helps your RAS process the day, reduces stress, and improves memory consolidation while you sleep. Simple, powerful, free, just you and a pen. So there you have it, curious minds. Writing by hand isn't old-fashioned, it's brain-fashioned. It engages your cognition more deeply, activates your brain's natural highlighter, stores memories in your muscles, and unlocks creativity that typing just can't touch. The pen really is mightier, at least when it comes to your memory. Let me know in the comments section below if you still use your pen to take notes at school or university. And if you found this video useful, give it a like. Share it with someone who still underestimates their notebook. And subscribe so you never miss a Quizzy episode. Until next time, I'm Quizzy from Work4You Tutor. And don't forget, your brain learns best when your hand leads the way. Quizzy said that.